If you've seen any of the videos that I've done on my Tesla Model 3 from the outside, you might have noticed that I pulled the aerodynamic covers off of the factory 18-inch wheels. I think the covers are atrocious, but I think the wheels underneath actually look really good. This is the dual motor long range Model 3, and it has way more range than we've ever come close to using in our daily driving. That's why I installed Tesla's Aero Wheel kit and hung the covers up on the wall of my garage in case we ever need to use them, which generally we don't, even on road trips, because they're typically one-stop affairs. Superchargers are so fast that by the time we go get coffee, take a pee, get back to the car, we have way more range added than we're going to need to get to our destination in the first place. However, you might be someone who wants to switch back and forth between the aero covers on and off a lot more frequently, or you might be someone looking to distinguish your Model 3 from all the others that are in the parking lot. I'll have to admit that our silver metallic color certainly helps with that, but that's only because Tesla discontinued it. A company called Custom Aero Wheels has a product that does just that. It'll make your Model 3 look different than everybody else's, while making it easier to switch between aero covers on and off than using Tesla's Aero Wheel kit. They sent me these so I could see what they look like for myself, and based upon the comments that I've already been getting driving around with these, I can tell I'm not the only one that thinks that they look really sharp. They subtly change the look of your Model 3 without being gaudy like a lot of cosmetic accessories for the Tesla. The hub covers from Custom Aero Wheels are based on the center caps that come on Tesla's 19-inch and 20-inch sport wheels. Looking a bit different because the 18-inch wheel spokes are different, but they perform the exact same function. They cover the holes in the middle of the wheel along with what are pretty standard lug nuts. They're made of durable and proven ABS and come in two colors, satin gray and black. For no additional cost, you can get inserts with your choice of 4 different colors or go with no inserts, as is my preference. All color combinations are $69.99 and they ship for free in the US, usually the same day you order. They also ship internationally, but you'll have to pick up the actual shipping cost. Removing the Aero Wheel covers is technically easy. It could be a little bit of a physical effort for some people, but you just yank. They'll flex and they might feel like they're going to break, but they won't. They just clip on there. They've got fingers that grab onto the spokes and a ring here that pops inside of the hub where there's a bit of a recess to grab fingers that are spread outward by this locking spring here. The Aero Wheel covers go on even easier than that. There's a notch in one of the gaps that you have to line up with the valve stem. And as long as you do that, they self-align and just pop it back on like that. Doesn't get any easier. If you're like me and already have Tesla's Aero Wheel kit installed, it's helpful to have one of these suction cups. They're designed for removing the screens from smartphones, from tablets for repair work. I got this one for a couple bucks off of Amazon. Just press it in place, flip the lever, and then you pop that center hub out just like that. You'll see that the Custom Aero Wheels kit uses the same finger and spring design that is on this cap, that's on the Aero Wheel covers. It also has reinforcing ribs on each of its fingers that stick down into the space that's taken up by the top of these lug nut covers. So you are going to have to remove these. They just pull right off. I like to align the top of the logo with the stem, and it's pretty easy from there. Again, just like the actual Tesla Aero covers, you just slap it in place. And then I just tug on all of the fingers to make sure that it's secure, and it is. And I think that looks fantastic. When you want to pull them off, just grab 2 opposing fingers and pull, and that's it. Super easy. Cleaning your wheels and tires is still a breeze, but you'll get best results by removing the hub covers beforehand. My preference for cleaners is from the car guys. They work great, smell great, and are non-toxic and biodegradable. Be sure to really scrub your sidewalls with a sidewall sponge as you apply the tire shine. It's polymer based, so it won't dry out the rubber, and working it under the dirt will make your shine last a lot longer. Both colors match the stock color of the 18-inch wheels, and which one looks best is certainly subjective. In the end, I went with black with no fill because I want people looking at the wheels to notice them, but I didn't want the hubs to draw people's eyes away from the rest of the car. It was not an easy choice to make, so I can't tell you which one you'd like best, nor do I know what these colors look like on any other color Model 3s. However, I don't think you can go wrong with either choice, even if you might find one slightly more to your taste than the other. I've seen some people speculate that these might actually clean up the air at the hub over Tesla's Aero Wheel kit, but I doubt it. The messiest air is going to be at the edges, the rim side of the spokes, because that's where the air is being churned up the most. And if I was looking for aerodynamic gains, I just put the covers back on in the first place. I have these on for the same reason that I had Tesla's Aero Wheel kit on before them, and that's for cosmetics. These are a nice step up in that regard, I think. Plus, they give my Model 3 a distinct look compared to others that are out there on the road. And yes, they do make switching between aero covers on and off a lot easier. They're $69.99, and you can find all the details on what you can customize with them at the link in the video description. If you're interested in getting a Tesla for yourself, be sure to use my Tesla Owners referral code to get free supercharging. You can find the link right here. Full details on the Tesla Owners Referral Program can be found at the link itself. Be sure to subscribe so you see other videos on accessories like these from Custom Aero Wheels. I really appreciate you watching the Tech of Tech, and hope to see you next time.